Hey guys, this is Finn Breaks the Cards, and we're going to be opening one pack of cards, and this is my first video, so subscribe if you liked it, and yeah, let's get opening. Hey guys, here's a pack, and it's 2018-19 basketball cards. It has 5 cards per pack. It's Donruss Basketball, and it has Kyrie Irving on the front. And yeah, let's get opening. That did not work how I usually do this. We got Vincent Edwards. We have Dendry Anton. We have Frank Ntilikina, Patrick Beverly, and Tim Hardaway Jr. So we got a DeAndre Ayton card, and he's really good. It's like $5 to $6, and it's $1, and we got it at Dollar Tree, which is really good, and I'm happy with it. So yeah, it's pretty good. This is the end of our video, and I was pretty happy with what I got. So yeah, bye.